This is mBot, a scalable STEAM education robot offering both building and programming experience. This allows children to develop their creative and logical thinking in a fun way. Start building your robot to learn how it works. Try using the remote control or enable its built-in intelligent modes, for example, line following or obstacle avoidance. The mBot app features various control possibilities, which make it fun to play by yourself or with company. mBot's mBot Blockly app helps beginners study coding at home. Educational coding games make learning easy through simple to complex tasks. Got more ideas? mBot is here to help you bring them to life. You can program simply by dragging the blocks or advanced Arduino C language to unlock more fun in creation. With 4 expansion ports on its main board, mBot is scalable without limits through connecting to more than 100 electronic modules. Besides, our add-on packs offer more playful takes on mBot, giving full play to children's creativity. mBot is suitable for all teachers around the world to promote STEAM education, with over 30 textbooks in multiple languages. mBot also empowers children to reach their next level of success. For example, you can join our MakeX Robotics competition, a global arena that promotes creativity, teamwork, fun and sharing among children.